Hello YouTube. Now I will just take a short guide about what mostly manipulators try. Actually, remember two things. If manipulator is unexperienced, he will mostly do projection. He will mostly try the things that pass on him. He will try to transfer this onto you. If you have a job with a psychopath or an advanced manipulator, he will try any technique where he sees a loophole. Now, I'm talking about unexperienced manipulators. For example, if they go for emotions, they will say that you are emotionally and mentally connected to them, in most cases, most like relationships. If a girl is very emotional and thinks emotions are everything, she will send you messages that contains emotions. She will say that everything that she knows relies on emotions. And for example, if a girl is a type that don't understand emotions, you will send her a smile, I don't know, a heart, say I love you or whatever. She will maybe respond, maybe not, but she will look at that like, okay, what does it mean? What does this guy want? Can't he just normally tell me? Now, if the girl, for example, goes for small stuff, she will expect that you will give her always small stuff. Well, and she will always find the small stuff that are not good, that you should correct, or that you should, that you should apply in your real life. Now, also automatically, they do a projection. What they don't do, what they expect, they will project this on you. And actually, they will mostly try to do something with you that they expect to be done from them. Now, let me give you an example. If you are, if you are writing with a girl that is pretty emotional, you will, if you pretend that you don't understand emotions, she will be angry. And if you understand or behave as she wants, she will say, for example, you see that you're emotionally chained for me, you see that your emotions are connected to me, you see that your emotions are relying to me, and any other stuff. For example, if manipulator is weak on money, he will expect that you are also weak on money. If he is gullible, manipulator is mostly not gullible, but if he is gullible, he will expect that you are too. Now we are talking about unexperienced manipulators. If he likes his look, he will expect that this trick can pass on you. He will, for example, flame your look. He will say that you look bad, you don't have any idea what you do. If manipulator catches everything on communication, he will say that your communication is not good. If your manipulator is extroverted, goes out, does smokes, weed, drinks, beer, whatever, he will say that your way of life, though you're a sportsman, sorry, I'm talking for myself, I'm an athlete myself, but never mind. He will say that your way of life is bad, that you should change your life. If you work, for example, your manipulator don't work, they will mostly, she or he will mostly give everything to let you off your work. Why you should work? For them, that is illegal, unnecessary. And if they go only for love and relationship, they will always say that you don't give them enough attention, that you don't want to be with them. You don't understand them, they are always right. If for example, manipulator has a goal to go to the college and to go as high in the college, they will say that you got to be a master grade, a science doctor. If you don't go, they will just try to blackmail you. If you don't go, as they say, I got to tell you, or if you don't go for career, they can blackmail you. If you're not too much friendly, they will say, oh no, you're bad, you're not friendly, you need friends. And if you're, for example, if manipulator is shy and a closed person and you're not, they will say, come on, it is bad to go out that much. Now, what I tell you, first, introduce your manipulator well. If he is unexperienced, he will mostly try to project his mistakes and what he is on you. I hope you understand. He will try to project, or she will try to project, his or her mistakes on you and to create you, or to create her or him out of you. Now, use this in real life. Hope you like this tutorial. Greetings.